Hello, so today I would be presenting the social data mining techniques assignment number 4. My name is Zainab Goawala and my student number is 200467547. So firstly, what are cognitive services and what do they provide? So, cognitive services are a set of machine learning techniques developed by Microsoft Azure to handle artificial intelligence difficulties. Cognitive services aim to democratize AI by separating it into independent components which we as developers can utilize in our own programs. Cognitive services are based on 5 types, which are usually of 5 types, which is vision, speech, language, knowledge, and search. However, for this assignment, we would be focusing on image classification. So, what is image classification? It is a supervised learning problem. Define a set of target classes, that is, objects to identify in images, and then you have to train a model to recognize them using labeled example photos. So, what is the goal of this assignment? We have to use Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services to train a number of images. We would be using custom vision AI for creating a new project, and after that we would be performing a quick test on the trained model to check its efficiency, whether it recognizes the images correctly or not. Let's talk about the workflow of this assignment. Firstly, we have to create a new project by going on to Custom Vision AI. After creating the new project, our task is to create new tags. So I would be explaining it in depth later. After that, we have to upload certain images and we have to tag them. After tagging and uploading the images, we need to train these images to perform the assessment. And after training the images, a quick test can be performed to check the efficiency of the cognitive service which we are using. For this project, I would be using cities as the main image classifier. I have used 3 beautiful and most popular cities. According to me, I am really passionate about traveling the world and visiting new cities and just knowing the culture of people who live there, what they eat, how they live, etc. So I really want to go to these places. That's why I've selected them. The first one is Rome, then Bali, and Istanbul. Okay, coming back to our project, we visited customvisions.ai project, and we clicked, first of all, I logged into my account and I clicked on a new project. I gave the new project name as Beautiful Cities. Description would be to assess the cities. I created a new resource. The classification type can be just normal, and project type can be classification. However, classification type you have to select as multi-label, so that one image can be tagged, it can use multiple tags. After that, I created 4 tags known as Bali, Beautiful Cities, Istanbul, and Rome. And then I uploaded 7 images each for Bali, Istanbul, and Rome. That is a total of 21 images, and I tagged them accordingly. Beautiful cities would be tagged on all the images, and then the cities, particular cities. After this, I was getting ready for training. So yeah, this is what we got. Precision would be 90%, recall would be 75%, AP would be 97.4%. So yeah, as you can see here, I won't go in depth because I would like to perform the live demo. Okay, so these are the screenshots of the testing. So this is what my page looks like after I've uploaded images. I selected cities because the complexity of a single image and the number of components a single image contains is enormous. Like you can see, there's landscape, there's monuments, there's grass, there's a number of things. There can be people in the image, there can be objects in the image. Like here you see there's a road, there are ducks, there are people here, there is a train, there are hot air balloons. So this would really create an impact on the service, that the image classified has to be perfect because it contains so many components. So let's give it a try real quick. So let's go to this quick test option and select the image which I have stored. Let's start with Istanbul 4. Let's see whether it gives accurate results or not. All right, there you go. So as I can see that I tagged it under beautiful cities and Istanbul. So here's the probability for both of them. And this is actually an image of Istanbul. Let me show you an image of Rome. All right, so here you go. These ancient monuments are from Rome, and it correctly predicts it as Rome. Let's go to Bali. A virtual tour. All right, so this image is of Bali, and yeah, it says that the accuracy is 97.1% because I feel because of the greenery it contains, this image contains a lot of greenery. Alright, so now let's try it on some other city. I have already downloaded an image of Santorini, and let's see what it predicts. What are the results of our assessment? Okay, so the classifier is predicting it as Istanbul. The main reason can be that Istanbul has a lot of dome-shaped architecture. So yeah, here you see there are domes and the image of sunset. So here you can see that the sky is orange and then it's turning blue, and there are dome-shaped monuments here, even here as well. This is all Istanbul, even this one. So maybe due to the color scheme and due to the dome-shaped monument, it predicted Santorini as Istanbul. Let's test it on a random image. So I downloaded this image from a very popular show, Squid Games, on Netflix, and it's assessing it as Bali. So why Bali? It's because the sky is blue, there are components of green in it, and it's just an open landscape with no monuments. And as you saw, Bali was like that, like full of nature, hardly any monuments, green images and blue skies. So yeah, maybe that's the reason. Have a good day. Thank you.